Hi guys, welcome to the Warrior Trading channel. Today, we're going to explore the Bull's Power Indicator, a powerful tool for identifying trend strength and predicting price. Navigate to indicators, search for Bull's Power, apply it to your chart. In this video, we'll be using a period of 18. Today's video is going to be amazing. Like and subscribe. This video is divided in 4 parts. Number 1. What is Bull's Power? Number 2. How to use the Bull's Power Indicator. Number 3. Trading strategy, use the Bull's Power Indicator. Number 4. Tips for using the Bull's Power Indicator. The Bull's Power Indicator is a technical analysis tool developed by Alexander Elder. It measures the strength of bulls in the market by comparing the closing price to the highest high of the past period. Number 2. How to use the Bull's Power Indicator. 1. Bull's Power Line. The indicator plots a line representing the difference between the closing price and the highest high of the past period. 2. Zero line. When the Bull's Power Line crosses above the zero line, it's a bullish signal. When it crosses below, it's a bearish signal. 3. Divergences. Look for divergences between the Bull's Power Line and the price chart to identify potential trend reversals. Number 3. Strategies you can use with the Bull's Power Indicator. 1. Bullish signal. Buy when the Bull's Power Line crosses above the zero line. 2. Bearish signal. Sell when the Bull's Power Line crosses below the zero line. 3. Divergence trading. Buy or sell when you spot a divergences between Bull's Power Line and the price chart. Number 4. Tips for using the Bull's Power Indicator. Avoid false signals. Use higher time frames for more reliable signals. Combine with price action. Confirm signals with candlestick patterns. The Bull's Power Indicator is a technical analysis tool designed to measure the strength of buyers, bulls, in a market. Purpose. It helps traders identify whether bulls, buyers, or bears, sellers, are dominating, allowing for better trade decisions. Ideal for forex, stock, and binary traders looking for entry and exit signals. The Bull's Power Indicator is a valuable tool for traders looking to identify trend strength and predict price movements. Remember to always combine the Bull's Power Indicator with other forms of technical and fundamental analysis to maximize your trading success. So keep watching the trades. boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.